here myself Nabonita Kundu, and I am going to start a topic related the living beings, means survival in case of the living beings. For example, we the human being, what in the process it is going on inside your body, so that you can move, you can walk, you can speak, you can eat, you can digest all the things, or you can breathe all over the things which is going or which is entering inside your body and excreting from your body. What is the reason behind this? That is the answer of the life process, because it is the biological process, it is taking inside your body to maintain all types of work, so that you can give the response according to the nature. So for survival in the nature, so that the life process have to work properly inside your body, and whether it is going inside your body properly, means functioning properly, they have to depends on the nutrients. Proper nutrients can give or can provide everything as a energy for going purposes of the works. Next, action of all organ systems. Whole over the body, it is composed of the organ system or the tissue system, which is based on the, or which is the basis on the life processes. Next, basic life processes is starting from the digestive system, whether we are taking food, whether it is fat, or how the food is digested inside the human body or inside your body also, and how the excretory material or excess material, or you can tell the waste material, it can go out, how it is the answer of the digestive system. Next, the breathing system. We are taking in the oxygen inside your body for working properly inside the cell, and we can release out the carbon dioxide with the help of the respiratory system. And respiratory system is what are the organs are there behind or together to form the whole respiratory system. Next, circulatory system means the heart is there, the pump-like structure which is transporting whole over top to bottom, head to toe of your body, the oxygen-related blood or carbon dioxide-rich blood. That is under the circulatory system. Last but not least, the excretory system. What are the excretory material? It is passing outside through the urine, that is known as the excretory system. And what are the organs? They are composed as the excretory system.